Hello, scrappers. Beautiful day today, especially right there here on this side of the shop. The shop's blocking the wind. Wind's out of the south, but a little bit breezy out there. That'd be a nice day to take the boat out, but then if it's a large body of water, you probably wouldn't want to be on the downwind side, north side. But I picked up this first load today. I got another one to go after this afternoon. Got a washer and dryer. And then I got a little bit of short iron here. I'll have to bring the wheelbarrow around and toss all that in it. So get busy here in a minute. Get this unloaded and get ready for the next one. Tear some other stuff down around here. Yeah, scrapping's been kind of slow, but I am getting stuff caught up out of the field a little bit. I need to get that corn head tore down here probably within the next month, because come April I imagine I'm going to get real busy. Weather stays like this, I'll probably get busy real soon, and then I'll be struggling to find time to get out there and do some cutting on that. But grass will be growing soon and everything else. So I'll pick this video up when I get the next load in, and we'll go from there. So see you in a bit. Okay, back with the second load. Went to the guy's house and picked up this side by side here and this dishwasher. Stainless steel, but magnet sticks. And then he called his brother, and they rallied the troops, and everybody met down at the mini storage, and I've got this refrigerator and that refrigerator, side by side refrigerator, and then this ice maker, big commercial ice maker. Got the tub, the thing in the plastic tub in the back of the truck. So I'll have to take the saws. I don't know. I might get some pictures of it, put it on Marketplace. Just see if there's any interest in it. If not, then I'll get the saws all out and cut it up. But right now the dumpster's pretty full, so I can't put no more in there. My daughter's boyfriend's hooking up the car hauler so he can haul her car down to the dealership and get it worked on. Yeah. And this thing slid back a little ways. He put water in it, so the water pours right out, and needs bearings in the front end. I think rack and pinion steering needs to be fixed. it's got some issues. But I'm not even unloading it tonight. The sun's about to go over the hill. It's 6 o'clock. So, but I thought I'd get out here and get this done real quick. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank the new subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of metal I brought in. I'm going to have to look and see how many refrigerators and stuff I have down in the field, see if I got enough for a load yet. Should be getting close. So, hopefully. Yeah, they're over there now at the trailer. So you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.